morning, guys. You are welcome to today's trade idea and signal. Today being Tuesday, 5 November 2024. And so we are looking at the chart. It has been somehow giving us some kind of like imbalance in the market, and the reason having US presidential election in view. And today is the day that the election is going to take place. So as we have here, since today is the to take our trades. So this morning, just for London session, we try and see what we can capitalize on. To be a very risky day, so we don't know what the outcome of the election is going to be, and we don't know the type of volatility that will be presented in the market. Instead of expecting maybe the markets above went ahead beating has been. So we don't know what to we have to be very, very careful with the way we're going to take our trades. But nonetheless, what we're going to do is to try and trade wherever we can see in the market. But at the same time, we won't force any trade. We just let it be. If we see opportunity to trade, then we take we have this level weekly interacting from the level. I mean, if we were expecting on 1 hour, send the price back up, the price just to come down range. And this is our range. We are still within the, but we have this imbalance here that we don't have this slow. 50% of Asian, what I'm seeing here now, I think I'm going to be re-entering because we have this leg and see we have this level here. Take it as our total soup, which is taking liquidity above that high. We have this level here, which gives we didn't have much imbalance. So I think this high to minor high to be protected. You might be expecting that high to be protected. Since we have been anticipating what we send price strong low, I mean weak, which we are seeing here, this is dominance. Yeah, and as we can sustain the price and send the price low. The only thing I'm going to be doing is to repeat price low. A lot of things, a lot of volumes, a lot of news that we are anticipating in the market. So let's try and see it's 50%. So excuse me. The 50% align perfectly on that low. So at least we might be expecting price to get into this level here. And this can potentially be a level. For more security, you can increase your something, but I just want to stick with my yesterday's trade and try to see if I can see 1 to 5. Because this weekly internal structure that we have here might be what we send the price lower, because all these things, reactions that we've been getting here are not that pure. And as you can see here, the imbalance has been filled. The imbalance here has been filled, and that level can be. I still have another order here which might want to send the price up. But if I got taken from this level and I have a proper reaction, even if this place is taken out, I'm going to have my money back from this one. But as this one is reacting now, the reaction we are having from this level now, it's not up here, except let's see what's 50 minutes old. Okay, we're having this kind of reaction on 15 minutes. And if we're having, okay, market can be sending it down, sending its price down from this level also. But because of the news that we are anticipating and everything, I won't be taking the trades yet, because the only thing available here is the mitigation block, the minor mitigation block that we have here. And it can be acting as sending price or downward, because this leg already mitigate the 50% that we are even anticipating. But nonetheless, I wouldn't want to rush into the markets and just leave my order like this. And because anything can happen in the market, we have internal structure, we have an imbalance that is yet to be filled, but it has been filled with this leg, and which means this leg can send price down. So whichever way, I'll just leave it, because we have this breaker block here. The breaker block, this breaker block that send price up. But nonetheless, I'm going to just let the price be. Still hold on to my trade. And if it didn't go above to take me, then I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. I'll just let it be. But I'm kind of leaning toward this level. Because any news can come. Today is presidential election, and it is better to be on the safer side. And just it's better to be out of trade than to be in trade and be regretting it. So I'm going to just the reaction I'm having is a very good reaction. I'm suggesting that price is going lower. If you have seen the video early, we have the risk capability. I'll go ahead, take the trade. Personally, for me, I'm going to be waiting for this level. I wouldn't mind. So that would be my trade because we're already on the right side of the market. That would be my trade on EURUSD. That would be my trade. I'm going to be holding on to this level. We are in Frankfurt, not yet near London. So the Frankfurt might be creating its own high, and London can come in and may want to take the high and send price lower from it. So I guess I'll be holding on to my position here. And if markets leave me behind before it moves, it's fine. I'm good with that. So let's go to NAS100 and try to see what the market is doing and try to see if we can see something to capitalize on today. Okay. Market was just ranging since yesterday and it's not giving much reaction. Let's wait for the market to load properly. I don't know what happened to my network. Okay. All my annotations are out now. And as you can see, yesterday I didn't place any trade, and I hope we can see the reason why I choose not to place any trade now. Because here now there is not too much, the price actions we are having from these levels are not that pure. And as 100, kind of volatile. And we are anticipating an event today that will kind of change the look of the market and can bring a high volatility into the market. So I guess I'll still be holding to this my trade as it's just consolidating from below the level. I have another level. I have another here, but I'm already in this reclaim order block trade. So just waiting and try to see. But here there is nothing on this price that I'll just be doing is, we only trade what we can see. But from here now, based on my strategy, I can see nothing. There's no pure price action to take decision from. So it's just weakening above and below. But I have my level here, and I'm already in this trade sending price liquidity above this space is taking. But if this liquidity is to be properly mitigated, then definitely I have another trade here to send price lower. So that will be, I'll just be keeping my trade on NAS100. Maybe we should try and see what we can do with gold today again. Maybe we can see something in gold. Let's try and see if we can bring something out of gold. So I'll be holding on to my trade on NAS100. I just leave it. This is my daily range. I have this level, but this 50%, if it's going to be transcended, then I have another level above it to send price. It's close and close above this level and still go beyond this level, then automatically I will know we are changing gear, changing direction. But this is my monthly trade here. Just leave it there. And US selection can help me to push it lower. So let's try and see if there is something on good for us. Something on good for us. Good is still doing It's play stuff. The fact that I'm not trading in doesn't mean some people are not making money on it, and doesn't mean they are not trading well in it. But personally, since we are in new high and the market is yet to have a proper calibration of itself, then I've got to hold. See, try to see the new attitude is going to bring on. So that's my own. Okay, we have this level here that is closed below. See, I'm fine. I have this one. In fact, even if send the price lower, I want to take this level here and just try to like let's take this level. So we can kind of like take that level and see what the price is going to be. As we have the break below this level, we can have this place send the price lower. Have this place, this liquidity might be taking, might be taking, and you know, might be sending price lower. Since we have this level being broken, this place is supposed to sustain and the price, but it was broken, did not break this structure, and it didn't close below it. And from the kind of reaction we are having here, there's no assurance that this place is going to send price upward. So there is no assurance that it's going to send price upward. So if I'm going to be taking any trades, I can just be taking my trades from this level because we are expecting high volatility in the market. So let's see what one I have for us. Okay. You see what I'm saying? This level here, this level should hold the price. See, this particular leg should hold the price. So, hold the price. At least if we have an upsurge into all these levels, I'm expecting this level to send the price even lower. We have a lot of imbalances here. Okay, but it's going to be a long-term trade. Since we are not closing below this level, we can have the presidential election wherever news because anything can happen in the market today. Anything can happen. Please use proper risk management. Set your stop loss. Even with stop loss being set, sometimes, when we have high volatility and gap in markets, market can just jump to one price above your stop loss and still take you out. But if you don't have stop loss in place, it will just continue to go. So if I'm going to be taking any trades, we have this little level within the little something here that we can capitalize on. But for security reasons, I'm going to be taking this level. So stimmer is something that I'm going to, so that'll be the 250 multiply by 5. I don't care. It's just going to be a very long-term trade. I'm going to just have my 1% risk on it. It's going to be a very low 19 to 15 times 5. 1 to 5. I have 96 points, 96,050 points. So, so at least that's what I'll be doing. Please, it's a long-term trade. I'm just going to leave it there as a monthly trade anyway. Just take the trade. Just forget about it. So if market is going to go up at all, I'm expecting this place to send price lower. Yes, I'm expecting price to have this zone here, this level here, which this leg has put. So I'll be having that level there. Whatever makes me have price to this level, then automatically I'm closing the trade. Instead of leaving it for so long, then I just have it down because I'm not ready to take any minor trade yet on gold. Not ready to take any minor trade. So that would be my trade on gold. So let's see. But yeah, told you I'm expecting the price to still come up because I didn't trust that initial reaction we are having. So I'll just be holding on to this trade. Pick the zone. I'm okay with the zone that I pick. Market shouldn't go beyond that level. If it's going to send the price down, the 50% of that range is going to send the price down. And I'm picking this head, the head of yesterday as my stop loss. So let's see. Maybe after I drop the video, I can be anticipating what is it called? Can be adjusting my order accordingly to whatever price is doing. Let's see what it's doing on 15 minutes. Soon be dropping the video now. Okay. And on 5 minutes, if you have to check on 5 minutes, it's kind of okay, creating a level. You can see this level. This is what I'm expecting to sustain the price. This particular level here is my expectation of passing my expectation in the markets. So this little level here, because we have all these places are properly mitigated. So with this level that is here to be touched, and we have that level like that. So okay, that's still within my range. That'll be all for this morning. Thank you very much. Trade properly. This is not a financial advice. So use proper risk management and don't overtrade. Today is US election. Be careful out there. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a profitable trading. Thank you.